Hello and welcome to the Linux Point. Are you guys frustrated of ads? Then this video is for you. For blocking an ad, we have to block DNS query related to ad server. Consider the scenario: we have our host, a DNS server, and a DNS poisoning tool running on our system. Whenever there is query related to ad server domain, it will be blocked by our DNS poisoning tool. As a result, there is no ad. Now let's do it. For this to work, we require an ad domain list which we have to block. I have created one on GitHub, link in description. Now save it as a text file. Let's go to a website which shows ads. Here it is. There are 2 ads on the main page. Now let's go to some topic and see. Here are also ads, so it is the perfect website for our work. Now let's change the DNS server as our own IP address. And then reconnect to the network. You can see that the DNS server address has changed to our IP address. Let's run our DNSChef tool with interface as our IP address, and file as our ads list. Note that the loaded page will show the ads, so we will create a new tab and open the same link there. You can see ads has been disappeared. This is because our tool is blocking the DNS query related to ads. That is it for today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. By the way, Happy New Year to all.